Do you know? Most of the times, array, if someone is going to give the money, I'm in urgent need. So I require to pay to someone, but that person, okay, making a pressure because he had some land registration. I require to compulsory, I require to return that money. What will happen is, if someone help me because I'm not having the money, I will ask some other person. Then automatically that person is going to tell 2 rupees interest is not 3 rupees interest. If you are okay, if you are okay, 3 rupees interest, I will arrange like. Then automatically, here the problem is because of this problem I have to resolve, then I will take 3 rupees interest. Okay, I will take and I will close that 2 rupees interest thing. Then after few days, this 3 rupees interest person is going to keep the pressure. Then what I will do is, Array, is there any chance to get some 2 rupees or 3 rupees? Like, no. Then one person is going to offer a 5 rupees interest. Then I will take that 5 rupees interest because my concentration is always, I have to overcome this problem. Okay, tomorrow everything will be fine. Tomorrow everything will be fine. Like, I'm always thinking, I require to resolve this problem first. Like, then automatically, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees like interest I'm going to take and I will clear these problems. At certain point, if you continue this journey, what will happen is you are not in a position, okay, to handle your situation. The same thing is happen multiple people who are surrounding us. Remember this. So few days before, one lady in Punnur, Andhra, she is having habit of chits maintenance. Chits. You know, right? Chits. So that lady name is Nazima Parveen. I know that lady also. What happened is she's always 5 lakhs a chit, 10 lakhs a chit. She's responsible to manage. She will collect from 20 members and then to one person every month she is responsible to give by holding some commission. Okay, some 5% or 2% commission by holding the remaining amount she has to give. Then what happened is the people, 20 people have to pay, 19 people have to pay, to one person she has to release. Every month, this is the thing happening. Among these 19 people, some people are telling, we are not having the money, next month I will adjust, next month I will adjust, next month I will adjust. Like, definitely one or two members are going to create the problem every month. But the person who bidder, the person who has to get the money, that person is always keeping the pressure. Then this lady, what she is doing, taking amount for interest, okay, high interest, and clearing this problem. Because in the next month, these people will provide. But in the next month, they want to provide, they will postpone, dot, 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 dot. This story continued for few months. Just very recently, her husband just shared one video to me. Even I had a talk with that lady multiple times. Durga, I don't know what I have to do. Can you please guide? Okay, like, so just I want to go for IP. Is it possible or not? Or otherwise, I want to leave. Okay, I want to escape from here by leaving my house, all these things there. I want to escape from here. Is it okay? Or, okay, how I can manage? Durga, I'm getting fear. So the people are telling they will come and they will hit me. So the people are coming. They will go for a tent in front of my house and they will do dharna, something like very horrible to listen her voices. Okay, so then I told, Auntie, be strong and convey. So try to get some time. So maybe try to get some alternatives, like try to get some time and think about all options. Be strong. Like on fine day, what happened is her husband shared a video. She was there in the hospital bed. Horrible situation. Horrible situation. So not in a position to respond. She's shouted like anything. Horrible situation. Just I saw that, then my total body shaken by seeing that video. Then immediately what I asked is, I gave my mobile to my admin, Nazir sir. Nazir sir, I'm not in a position to see that video. Can you please delete that video and return my mobile? Like just I hand over to my admin and deleted that video and then he returned my mobile to me. Durga, have you got my point?
Yes, sir.
Where is the problem? Where is the problem? If you are under pressure, you are going to take a number of mistakes. That lady did the same thing, right? Okay,
Yes,
because
sir.
every time
Yes,
if
sir.
a
Yes.
person is if a person is forcing, Hare, I want money, then automatically what this lady did, from where even high interest also no problem. Even a bit more interest also no problem. First I have to clear this problem. Like how many times in your life also you had this type of scenario? Because you people are 20s, 30s, you may not have much experience, but 40s, 50s, if I ask the same question to the 40s, 50s people, everyone is going to tell, yes, I did this type of mistake. Believe me, staying wealthy, if you want to do, you should not have such a type of situations. That is the most important point. So, under pressure, you're always going to do the mistakes. Remember this one. Under pressure, you're always going to do the mistakes. That's fine. So, the second safety rule, maintaining emergency fund minimum 3 to 6 months is the first important point. Second important point. So, what is the advantage is, if you have 6 months buffer, you are not required to take any aggressive decisions. You are not required to take any decisions under pressure. Correct, right? Yes, friend. If you have
Yes, sir.
already 6 months buffer is there, 6 months buffer is there, then you are not going to take any aggressive decisions. As 6 months time is there. Meanwhile, I will identify with calm mind, with pleasant mind. I will identify the next best opportunity and I will choose that. I'm not required to worry. But suppose if that emergency fund is not there, immediately required to do that. Immediately required to do. Then most of the time, sir, your decisions are going to create a big problem for you people. Remember that. That's why always mind pleasantness must be required. So always we should be very stable. We should be very strong. Our decisions we have to take with calm, pleasant mind, not with pressure mind, not with hurry mind. How you can solve these kind of things? How you can do that by maintaining emergency fund? So even I had a number of times emergency fund is required, but I never take it. What is the problem like? But I realized that compulsory emergency fund must be required 3 to 6 months while running the business or even in your personal home requirements also compulsory friends. Okay. Next, the second important point for you people. So this is what. So in pressure, you are going to take a number of wrong decisions.